Do you recommend replacing the suit every 10 years, or do we send it in to get it inspected, or what are your thoughts on that, Jim?
I like 5 years as the point when you're going to start to dig into it again. Technology changes so quickly. So you're looking at like, for example, the escape strap wasn't around 2 years ago. Now it is. So there's innovations in Arc Flash PPE that help enhance worker safety. I think we can all agree that a rescue hook isn't always where you want it to be if you need it. And to be able to use a rescue hook is very hard. If a worker is unconscious on the floor, you might do more harm than good trying to jam a hook under them to drag them to or out of harm's way into safety. So every 5 years is when I would look into it. And you might extend it beyond that if there's no compelling reasons as to why you would ever replace the Arc Flash suits. Another example too is the lens technology. I mean, you go back, Oberon's had this around for about 11 years. It hasn't been in use in a lot of customer sites for 11 years. And I still find a lot of Arc Flash face shields and Arc Flash suit hoods that have dark green lenses. So look at it every 5 years. They should last you for at least 10 years. But there will, I believe, based on my experience, in the next 5 years, there's going to be innovations to make it more comfortable, lessen the burden on the worker. So it may not be that the Arc Flash suit is any more protective. It just might be a lot easier to use.